never forget where you're coming from. Kingston go set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another house hunting video. Now today we are in the upscale community of Chancery Hall in Kingston, which boasts some of the most beautiful views of the city. The Zenith is home to 12 luxury units, 2 and 3 bedroom residences that range between 1,932 and 2,045 square feet of living space. The Zenith boasts a sky lounge on the roof where residents can relax by the infinity edge pool and enjoy the views. Now the great thing with this development is that each unit comes with that amazing view of Kingston City and the waterfront. Some of the amenities with this development include elevator, green spaces, state-of-the-art fitness centre, expansive roof lounge with an infinity edge pool and sun deck, convenient concierge mail and garbage disposal, minimum 2 assigned parking spaces per resident, and of course 24-hour security services and controlled access. Here I'm at the top of the hill at the site of where the Zenith development will be built. Guys, just have a look at those amazing views. A really special and unique feature of this development is that every single unit will come with appliances included as part of the price. So all your white goods or your kitchen appliances will come as standard with this development. Coming up in the video, we will be showing you a computer image of what the Zenith apartments will look like once they are completed, and also guys, we will be showing you the area as well, so stick around because we take a drive around Chancery Hall. We show you what the community looks like, we show you what some of the houses look like up there. Absolutely beautiful area. And here Chancery Hall, you're not too far from anything. You're close to all amenities, you're close to the supermarkets, the shops, the stores, so perfect location. Here is another angle of the site as it currently stands. Ground has currently been broken, work is currently taking place, and I'm standing here at the bottom of the hill, and here you can see exactly where the development will be built. Prices. Now the price of the 2-bedroom is $365,000 US, and the price of the 3-bedroom is $395,000 US. Maintenance fees are 35,000 Jamaican dollars and 40,000 Jamaican dollars. Contact details will be on your screen now, and they will also be at the end of the video. So if you are interested and you want further information, maybe you're interested in buying pre-construction, then please do get in contact with the number on the screen, and that number will be at the end of the video also. as mentioned previously, we took the time out to drive around the area, the community, have a look at the neighbourhood of Chancery Hall, have a look at some of the other houses and properties, and get a feel for the area too. We hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you require any more information, please do contact the number on the screen now. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and until next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.